Hey beauties, I hope that you are well. This is your girl Tia Bella, and we are going to be doing polygel today. I've already applied base gel onto the base of my nails, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start filing my tips and putting some primer onto them to get them ready to paint. Now, I did previously do a polygel video where I actually applied the polygel on top of the nail tips, but today I'm actually going to be doing the lazy girl method using the Beetles Polygel as well as the SAVILAND glitter polygel onto these nails and then applying them onto my nail. The lazy girl method is by Femi Beauty. If you are not familiar with Femi Beauty, feel free to check her channel out. But now I'm just going to go ahead and start the thumb by doing a French ombre, and I'm going to use this white polygel and then go in with the pink. Now, in my opinion, the Beetles Polygel is very sticky compared to all of the other polygels I have tried. And so the secret, again, is to make sure that your brush is moist with the isopropyl alcohol, or if you have slip solution, and just gently pat, pat, pat. Don't try to drag it, because I've tried to do that before and it just lifts the polygel off of the nail. But if you continue with the patting method, and once you are satisfied, you pop that into your UV lamp to cure before you go ahead and apply your other subsequent polygel. Once you are satisfied with how your polygel is looking, do not cure this. You want to go ahead and now apply this to your nail that already has the cured base gel on it. Apply it to your nail. Make sure that there's no bubbles by pressing down very gently. If you do have some spillage on the side, just take your brush, dip it in some isopropyl alcohol, and remove that excess. Or you can go ahead and let it cure, but then you just have to file it. I'm going to go ahead and file this anyway. Turn your nail underneath and make sure you brush that up so that you don't have a huge ball at the base of your natural fingers. And then you stick this under your UV lamp to let it cure, and it will be ready. So here's how the nail looks after it's cured, and don't worry about the sides. You can always file any excess off after you have completed your other nails. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my index finger, and I'm going to be using these little heart sequins that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'm just going to directly apply them onto the base gel that I haven't cured as yet. Once I've placed them onto this nail, I put them under the UV lamp to cure before I go in and apply this SAVILAND glitter polygel. This SAVILAND glitter polygel, diamond polygel as it's called on the box, is so easy to work with. It is not sticky like the Beetles polygel, and I literally just apply this, I tap, 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 and it is ready. It doesn't give me any problems. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for a polygel that's going to be easy to work with, SAVILAND seems to be a very good brand. Now, I have not tried any of their plain colored polygel. I have ordered some from Amazon. I'm just waiting for it to arrive. It should be here by next week, so I'll be doing a review on their regular polygels as well. But in terms of this glitter diamond polygel, I love this, and once this is done, I'm going to be ordering more as well. So here's how it looks after it's been cured. It is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to move on to my other fingers. I'm going to let you watch for a little bit, and then I'll come back and let you see how my progress is.
Yeah. Slow mo. Let me look. Yeah, turn it up. Turn it up. She's normally takes you where you pause. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for. I know you know. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait the way you live it up. And let me rub it down. Oh. Girl, I won't let it.
All nails are finally done and cured. I'm just going to take this alcohol wipe and just remove any of that extra stickiness that may have seeped onto the sides and all of the, dust and stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my 100/180 file and just gently file around the edges just to give it a flushed, clean look. Take my buffer and remove that shiny surface on the top of the tips. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Beetles base gel over all of my nails. For my ring finger, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some rhinestones in a slanted kind of line along where that glitter polygel is separated from that encapsulated hearts. And then for my middle finger, I am going to be painting a red French tip onto that finger as well. I'm also going to be applying some rhinestones to my pinky as well as my thumb. So I'm going to let you watch me kind of design the rest of my nails, and then I'm going to come back with the finished look.
This canvas is your description. Where we gon' go? Why you want it, we can hold it till you want.
All nails are done. I'm just applying some cuticle oil onto my finger and my skin, and this is how the nails look. Completely love the lazy girl method. I hope you give it a try, and I will see you in my next video.